Hello and welcome to Lewis the Tech Guy. I'm Lewis the Tech Guy. And today we're going to be building this beautiful, simple chat application. And again, it's not fully functioning, but just to get the basics down of, how to do stateful widgets and things of that nature, we're going to be playing around with this. We're going to do some simple animations. You can see how the text come in. You'll see that, and we'll play with that. So without further ado, let's get jiggy with it. Alright, so let's get this bad boy started. I just completely deleted everything here, so we're going to start from the very beginning. We're going to write our void main, right? And for void main, we have to do run app. And what app are we going to run? So we're going to do a new chats app. That's what we're going to call this, right? And let's not forget our semicolon. Now, mind you, this is yelling at me. I'm going to use the power of IntelliJ to create a class called chats app. And chat app is going to extend a stateless widget, right? And again, we're getting our squiggly lines. We're going to make use of our powerful IntelliJ text editor. I just had it. I get a little too impatient for this thing. I think that's what that's what ends up happening. So we're going to create our override. We're going to delete this. And this is so whenever you're dealing with an application that has changing states, incoming data that changes the way your app looks, you're gonna have to deal with a stateful widget. We're not there just yet, but eventually you'll have to get there. And what that means is you're gonna have multiple classes that kind of reference each other, and we'll get to that in a second. So this is our app, right? And what we're going to return is a material app, because that's the type of app that this is going to be. And inside our material app, we're going to give it a title, and the title is going to be called chats app, right? And the home button is going to be a new chats screen, right? That's our home. And now, mind you, it's already yelling at us because we have not created this class. So let's create the class chat screen, and it is going to extend. I hate when it does this. What's it going to extend? It's going to extend. This is going to be a stateful widget, and as such is going to require some stuff. So the stateful widget is going to return, what's it going to return? The chat screen state. All right. Now, mind you, we have not created that yet, so we're going to create that. And it's going to extend the state of the chat screen. Now it's yelling at us again because we have to create. Alright, it's always going to be yelling at me for some reason. Our override method, and now we can build our app. And our app, we're going to return a, let's do, what do I want to return here? Let's do a container. Let's return a container. And inside this container, we're going to return a child. And the child's going to be a widget of text. And we're going to say hello there. All right, now we're going to run this. And bear with me because sometimes this is very, very slow. Look what we have there. Not very exciting, I know. But we're going to get there. We're going to get there. Okay. So let's build on that a little bit more. Let's change. Okay. So instead of a container, let's return. Where am I here? this is going to be one of the things that really kind of thinks about this here. All right, there we go. So what we're going to return is a scaffold. Here we go. And first thing we're going to do is we're going to have a app bar. It's going to return a widget of app bar, and the app bar is going to say chats app, right? And why are we getting? Oh, because I did that wrong. Excuse me. I must be tired. It's going to have a title, and then we're going to do chats app. All right, control save, and with the magic of hot reload, this is what we have here. Now, I for one like to have our title centered. Let's set that to true, and I think with the iOS devices it automatically does it. Before we do the next thing we're going to do is we're going to get rid of this debug. I never liked the debug thing. So over here, if I go to my chats app class, I can come over here to and debug show checked mode banner. Set this to false. Do control save, and voila. All right, so we're getting there. I know it's nothing exciting just yet, but we're gonna get there. All right, thank you for watching. Until next time.